Today we're going to talk about how to use YouTube tools to help make the YouTube channels that you use more useful for you. I've already picked out a channel that we're going to look at today. For this particular channel, it's called CGP Gray. This channel specifically talks about a lot of general information, and looking at the videos really quickly, you can see that this particular YouTuber will talk about things like Canada and United States border, or the Vatican City explained, or the debt limit explained. So really fun and interesting videos. But let's start back at the top. When you go to a particular channel, the first page you're going to be directed to is the home page. And if you don't want to hear the first video that they want you to see, go ahead and click the pause button once you get there. Now the home page, if you'll scroll down, will also have other videos that they have done. They have them in categories where, depending on the YouTuber, they'll have different topics. This YouTuber chose Gray Explains, recent uploads, and popular videos. You could go and look at that particular set of videos if you wanted to by going to play. You could scroll through by using the arrow on that screen and determine if there are any videos just by looking at the title here or the picture at the center and see if that's something you want to see. Something to also note about these videos is that they're going to show you how many views they have, when it was posted, and if it has closed captioning or not. Now, depending on your YouTuber, they may use closed captioning and they may not. So what we're going to do from here is look at the videos page. Now on the videos page you have a couple of options. You can limit this to playlists or uploads, liked videos, or liked playlists. So with this feature, if you're looking at liked videos, you could be looking at videos that this user likes that aren't necessarily on his channel. It's always important to remember that. Or playlists that he likes. You can also organize this by the most popular videos, or oldest to newest, or newest to oldest. The screen that we're looking at now just has the videos in this kind of format where it's just one by one. But if you click right next to it, you can see your videos with a little bit more description beside them. Now, one thing that you might not be able to notice is here, if I've watched a particular video, the YouTube is going to tell me that I've already watched this video, which can be useful if you're trying to determine something that you've already watched and you want to see again and you just can't remember what it is, or if you want to determine what next to watch and don't want to go and watch something else. Now I'm going to click on one particular video. It's one of my favorites. It's coffee. And we're going to look inside this video really quickly. So clicking on coffee, I'm going to go ahead and pause it because I don't want to hear the advertisement. Let's look at the tools on this page. So the title's right at the top. This is the author. If you want to go back to his page where all of his channel information is, you could click right here. You can like or not like this video. This information in the About section right down here will show where he got his information from. And down below all that is where everyone has made comments, which can be really helpful when determining if this is useful information or not, if it's something that's not on the YouTube education channel. You have the option of sharing, and it gives you several options to embed, email, or share this video using popular resources, social media. You can also start the video at a particular point if you want to. You can add this to one of your lists if you have a playlist that you've created yourself. And then some channels have a transcript of every moment of the video. They may be in English, French, or any other language depending on the author and their ability to translate that. You can also note the statistics of a particular video if you wanted to. And if you needed to report the video for any problems or anything that you felt was inappropriate, you could definitely do that as well. Now up on the video screen, you'll notice that you can watch this later, and this will mark this um, as something that you want to watch later. And if you go up to your account, if you have one, you'll notice that you see a watch later section. You can put on closed captions or take them off. You can put them in English or any other language that is available through that specific YouTuber. You can also put on annotations or not, adjust the quality of the video. This will make this a larger player so it'll take up the full screen, and this will be completely full screen. So let's look at those two. This is a large player and this is a small player. This is full screen and this is exiting out of full screen. So right now we're going to go back to CGP Gray's channel. I'm going to pause this video yet again. One area that I did not cover was the About section. This will usually have a very simple statement about what this channel is going to be about. So complex things are explained. But there is more information at a linked blog or Reddit account and even a store. Other channels that you can check out by this specific YouTuber are listed under here. And sometimes a specific YouTuber will list channels that they suggest for you to check out, which is what he has done here. So these are all channels that he suggests. Now if you wanted to search the channel for a particular video and you knew what it was called and you went under videos, you could open the search bar here and type in the name and see if you can get a particular video. So if I wanted my coffee video, I type in coffee and I get coffee, and then everything else that comes right after that, but coffee is my first pick here. So that helps you when you're searching. And those are some YouTube tools. I hope you enjoyed them.